I'm going to take one apart prior to the starting of this video. Just so I have one apart so I don't waste anybody's time. Everybody likes detailed reviews, and if I screw this up, no one's going to like it. So I'm going to take it apart now just so I have it taken apart. Okay? Okay. I really like this light. Very nice. Definitely waterproof. I just came in from the outside. It's all wet and everything. All these lights are soaked. Freaking soaked. All right, let's see if I can get this thing apart before I start the video. Okay. Very good. We got it apart. Okay. Let's see if I can do this without busting the shit out of this thing. Hey guys, I'm Joeteck, and I'm here to discuss or talk about the review of the LAMPAT, LAMPAT motion sensor light. Solar charging during the day. Obviously needs to be in pretty good direct sunlight in order to charge, because it does have to charge a 3.7 volt lithium battery. As I said in other videos, I recommend charging these batteries prior to using them on the outside. Fortunately, if you, this is just a recommendation. Fortunately for this product, is that it's motion. So if it doesn't detect motion for a couple of nights, and all it does is just charge every day without any motion, then it'll actually charge the battery, and then when it's time to use it, it'll turn on. These are very, very bright. I'm not sure if you can physically see. I got them running now because I love them. I have 4 of them. Came as a kit as a 4. But what's really nice about I just turned it on. What's really nice about these particular lights is that it has an on-off switch. So if I don't want to have them powered on, I can shut them off. So just like for this video, for instance, like I don't want to waste the battery runtime right now. I mean, I'm gonna show it to you. I got to shut this one off because I got this one apart. But this is a very basic circuit. It's a charging circuit in here, which is great. It has a power switch on it, which is nice. Definitely inexpensive light. However, it does work. This is a no brand marked battery. There's no markings on this battery whatsoever. I have no idea what the milliamp output is of this battery. I would suspect by the weight of it, probably 2,000 milliamp. The model number is an 18650. And it's I highly recommended that you charge this prior. If you have an 650 charger, I would charge it. Definitely. However, like I said before, if you're not, these lights they're all based on motion, and they're really nice. I really like these lights a lot. Let me put this back together again. There's really not much to it. There is definitely a light sensor down at the bottom here, detects if there's a light or not. Inside here, and it's definitely an O-ring in here to prevent any water getting in. There's not. They call it an O-ring. I shouldn't say O-ring. There is a rubber gasket going around this device to prevent water leakage. It definitely fits very snug. Considering how this is made, it's not bad. But one positive thing is the whole point of these inexpensive devices is for them to work, and these work. So I'm going to shut down the lighting inside my studio here, and I'm going to show you how bright these are. It's a little misconception, though, thinking that these are motion. You actually have to physically power them on first in order for them to detect motion. In other words, they're off by default, and then you need to power them on. So, I mean, it's kind of a good thing because if you don't want them running, and you just want them, and by the way, they don't charge if it's powered off. So, I'm going to face these towards me, and I'm going to put them over here in front of the table here. Actually, I'm going to tilt them in, and I'm going to use the light from these things to light up the video. So, hang on, let me point them in the proper direction here. I'm going to shut all the lights off first. So there's one there, there's one here, and one there. So like 1, 2, 3, and this one is probably off camera. I'll put in camera. There it is. It's right there. And I'm going to have them all facing me to do this video. So let me shut down the interior lighting in the studio, and we'll get going on this. Okay. Now you see a blue light. The blue light is actually from my PC, which is across the way, and actually you see that light on me. Pretty bright blue light. All right, so I'm going to turn on this one first. This one, and then this one. So now I got all 4 going on at the same time. So now I'm just moving. I mean, they're bright. I mean, granted, do I need 4 lights? It works. I mean, this is a small, tiny little studio, and believe it or not, I mean, if I really needed extra light to shine on my face, it would work. So I'm just going to do 1 light, just so you can see what 1 light is. All right, that's 1 light. That's right here. Shining like I told you before, shining it directly into the camera doesn't really do anything. That's 1 light pretty much shining into my face. I can't really see the camera. It's there, but I mean I could kind of see a silhouette of it because it is quite dark in my office. But you could clearly see how bright. I mean, this is how it would be used, like up above somewhere. I mean, it's bright. Remember, this is a single light. And shining it directly into the camera doesn't really prove anything. Shining the subject is more what you're looking for, not the shining directly into. You're not gonna really appreciate the quality of light, but it does work, as you can see. It's very bright at nighttime. It's incredible how much it lights up the area. I have 4 of them. It came as a 4 kit. Let me turn the rest of them on. Now they're all on because it has to detect the motion first. So let me just not move and wait for these things to shut off. Hopefully it doesn't look for my lip movement. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're pitch black. Now we'll move my hands. 2 came on. There we go. I tested the range on them last night, and it was probably a good 15, 18 feet away when they detected me, which was really nice. So you don't have to be right on top of them for them to detect motion, which is really nice. I like these lights. I've reviewed another type of screw-on type light. It has side shooting 3 lights going to the right and 3 lights going to the left. This one is just direct. I just need, because this is going into my Pennsylvania house up in Pennsylvania, in Milford, PA, and I just need something to light up where I'm at when I'm at the gas, to turn on the gas. I want to be able to see what I'm doing. And then the electrical panel outside, I need to be able to see. So I'm going to have a couple of these all around the property, just so when I'm walking in that particular area, the light just comes on. I don't have to worry about getting a flashlight or whatever. They'll just work. And even though believe it or not, these things are they're not bad. They're really, really good. And again, like I said, they're motion. So if there's no motion, then it's not going to be using any battery. Unlike the light toms that I reviewed, the little fence lights, those are always on throughout the night. There's no motion on that. They're either on during the night and off at sun, on sunrise. So these are nice. Let me turn on the lights again so we can continue. All right, so does Joeteck recommend this? Absolutely. Great light output, compact size, solar, rechargeable, lithium, 3.7 volt lithium battery. If you have a 18650 charger, I recommend you charging it prior to use. However, if these are in direct sunlight and there's no motion for a couple of days, this can have enough enough light to charge them for when they need to be used. Since they don't draw all that much current, the 3.7 volt battery in it, lithium battery, should be perfect for this product. I'm very impressed with them. I mean, I'm very impressed with a lot of things. If it works out for me, it's good. And if Joeteck says it's good, because I don't tolerate a lot of shit. If there's crap products out there, I'm gonna let you know about it. And these are not crap products, and they're they're good stuff. I'm just doing this for fun because this is a non-biased review. If it sucks, I'll tell you. If it's good, I'll tell you. Simple as that. And these are really nice product, and it works really well. Just wish it was made in USA. Hopefully Trump will fix that. All right, guys, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like this video, thumbs down. And we'll see you on the next review. Take care, guys. Yeah. Hello. I'm fine. How are you? I'm right in the middle of doing a review. Right now, as we speak, I'm recording. I was. Well, I'm still recording. I'm just now you're going to be on film. The phone call. Well, no, I'm not going to re-record it. I'm already 15 minutes in. I'll just have to edit it.